cleaning for 100 years has been based on chemistry. And all of a sudden we're saying, you don't need any of that. In fact, you can use the most common substance on the planet, put a little electricity in it, and you're done. The opportunity to be involved with something that really can change the world does not happen very often. The reality is the technology and the capability and the science has been around for quite a while. It's just that it's been really expensive or really big. And what activeon did is figured out how to take that core science and shrink it down into something that everybody can use every day, frankly at a price that makes sense. First you just fill it up with just regular tap water from wherever you can get it. It can be a drinking fountain, your faucet at home, whatever. When you squeeze the trigger, the water is pulled up by a pump and it flows right through here, and we call this the water cell. In this water cell is where the positive and negative charge is applied. And as that electricity is applied to the water, it breaks down the water molecule, causes little gas bubbles to be formed. It'll be mostly hydrogen and oxygen, and those bubbles are what take on the electrical charge. That happens millions of times as the water flows through. The spray then carries the bubbles that have the charge to the surface. Those bubbles that have the charge are what attach to the dirt. Let's say you have a piece of dirt that has a negative charge. Opposites attract. The positively charged little gas bubbles will attach to the negative dirt. Eventually, enough of the positives are going to attach themselves to that negative dirt, and then you're going to get the reverse effect, which is likes repel. It will actually break the bond that the dirt has with the surface it's sitting on and pull it away. That's the pure cleaning science that's happening. As soon as the water leaves the nozzle, it has the charges and it's working right away. After about 30 to 45 seconds, the water likes to find balance and get back to its neutral state, recombine, and become regular tap water again. So when you spray, you have about 30 to 45 seconds to do your cleaning duties and you're done. For sanitizing, there's a control board on the top. And what that control board does, it adds a very low amount of an electrical field to the water. When the field hits the germ, it starts to agitate it and make it wiggle, and eventually it just can't handle it and it pops. This is a normal little voltmeter. When you do this, you see the light turns up red. That's just telling you that there's an electric field being generated by the device. We can't feel it, but to something the size of a little teeny bacteria, it's a big deal. We have something that really is going to make a difference in the world.